Most real estate investment trusts still runs leasing and dividends through spreadsheets and human teams. They think the problem is slow paperwork or high fees. It is not. The real gap is in the underuse of the blockchain. REIT operators use less than 5% of what blockchain can do for trust and instant settlement. This is not a property management problem, it is a trust and latency problem. No traditional upgrade fixes an on-chain settlement problem. Here's the system I will build to close this gap completely. I am Darlington Gospel. I design autonomous AI, blockchain, and automation infrastructure for tokenized real estate systems that runs without human intermediaries. This is the Beyond the Blockchain series. This is the kind of system I will put together for a client in the space. Traditional REITs still rely on manual underwriting that takes weeks. Leases need lawyers and paper signatories. Rent collections sit in spreadsheets. Dividends arrives quarterly after wire fees and delays. That costs time, errors, and lost yield. Polygon proof of stake gives a less than 5-second finality. Gas fee stayed under $0.001 per transaction. Lease approval hits under 12 seconds SLA, that is service level agreement. Dividend distributions finalizes in 15 seconds. The system uses 24 nodes across 7 operational phases. A closed loop MVP stands ready in 12 weeks. So here's a system I will put in place to solve this problem. Now let me give you an architecture overview of this system. The stack organizes 24 nodes across 7 horizontal layers. Data flows upward from ingestion to intelligence. Decisions flows downward to blockchain settlement. Automation fabrics connect everything. Here's the full flow in one sentence. Raw data enters at the bottom. AI agent decides. Blockchain records truth. Automation executes. Interface delivers results. Now let's jump into an architectural overview of the system. I'm going to walk you through each layer now. Layer 1, data and ingestion. This layer ingests raw data. It pulls IoT telemetry from property sensors, that is Internet of a Thing. It stores vector knowledge in pgvector RAG store. It indexes blockchain event through the graph subgraph. It holds document on IPFS, that is interplanetary file systems. It solves data silos that breaks traditional REITs. Then data moves downward to the AI layer. Layer 2, AI and intelligence. This layer makes every decision in the system. 7 Landgraph AI agents run here. Investor advisor gives portfolio advice. Acquisition scout scores deals with Grok 4 AI model. Tenant matcher screens and set rent. Operations oversees dispatch maintenance. Financial steward calculates net income. Compliance warden checks SEC rules. Supervisor agent coordinates all. It removes human approval delays. Decisions drop straight to the blockchain. Layer 3, blockchain and trust. This layer is the ground truth. Property titles becomes NFTs and ERC 721 token, that is non-fungible token standards. Fractional share contract uses ERC 1155 multi-standard token. Rent escrow contract locks deposits. Dividend distributor pays out. Every ownership change and yield split lives on Polygon proof of stake network. This is where the blockchain underuse problem ends. No spreadsheets, no intermediaries, just blockchain immutable laws put in place. Layer 4, automation fabrics. This layer orchestrates durable operations. Kafka event bus carries every event. Temporal workflow runs acquisition and rental lifecycle. Exactly once semantics survive failures, it connects AI decisions to blockchain actions. No drop steps happens here. Layer 5 is interface and UX. This layer serves humans. Tenant portal handles applications and leases. Investor dashboard shows real-time yield. Listing syndicates pushes to Zillow and MLS. Operator dashboards monitors everything. All of this built on Next.js and live data streams. Layer 6, the infrastructure and observability. This layer keeps the system alive. AWS runs the pods, that is, the containerized services. KEDA autoscales AI agents. Lastly, layer 7, which is payment and finances. This layer moves the money. Stripe ACH pulls rent. Circles bridges to USDC. All settlements hit the blockchain instantly. Now let me walk you through the user journey step by step. This is what the user sees when interacting with the system. Investors deposit USDC. Shares mint on chain. Acquisition scout finds property. NFT registers. Tenant browse listing. Application submits. Matcher scores and approves. Lease generates and signs. rent collects automatically, finance steward reconciles, dividend distributes in 15 seconds, fees deduct on chain, payout hit investor dashboard. Before the system, investors waited months. After the system, they see USDC monthly. Zero human step in the critical parts. Now, concerning the commercial viability of this system, revenue comes from 1.5% AUM, that is asset under management fee, plus 8% rental income fee, both deducted automatically on chain before pro rata USDC distribution. Investors pay because they get instant monthly yield and zero paperwork. Founders and institutions get the lowest cost structure in the market. The moat is full autonomy on Polygon Proof of Stake network. If you want me to design a system like REITA for your tokenized real estate or DeFi portfolio, the consulting booking link sits in the description section. Connect with me and let us build it. This 7-layer stack turns blockchain into the actual operating system. REITs finally use the technology at 100%. Monthly USDC dividends arrive in seconds. Manual real estate operations end here. Thanks for watching up to this moment. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way, you never miss an episode in this series. Follow me on X and LinkedIn for more content like this. I post there regularly. Drop an industry in the comment section, describe the problem. I will design the full system and feature it in an upcoming episode.